Hi everyone! Welcome to Fun Yoga Time. Today we're going to do some super fun and easy yoga poses that will make you feel strong, happy, and relaxed. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's start with a fun warm-up pose called the mountain pose. Stand up tall with your feet together. Imagine you're a strong, tall mountain. Reach your hands up to the sky, stretch your fingers, and take a deep breath in and out. Can you feel how tall you are? Awesome job! Now let's try the tree pose. This one is super fun. Stand on one leg and bring the other foot up to your ankle, your calf, or if you're really balanced, your thigh. Put your hands together in front of your chest like this. Now try to stay as still as a tree. If you wobble, it's okay. Just put your foot back down and try again. Next, let's do the cat-cow pose. Get on your hands and knees like a little kitty cat. Now arch your back up like a scared cat and say meow. Then drop your belly down, lift your head up and say moo. Let's do it together. Meow, moo, meow, moo. Great job, everyone. Now let's do the butterfly pose. Sit down and bring the soles of your feet together, holding your ankles. Move your knees up and down like butterfly wings. Imagine you're a beautiful butterfly flying in a garden. Flap those wings. Fantastic! Last but not least, let's finish with child's pose. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward on the ground. Rest your forehead on the mat. This is a nice, relaxing pose, just like a little child resting. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel how calm and peaceful you are. You all did such an amazing job today. Remember, you can do these yoga poses anytime you want to feel strong, happy, and calm. Thanks for joining me in Fun Yoga Time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fun and healthy activities. See you next time.